Okay, welcome back. I've just got the handset set up here. So this is our LIP-9000 range. It's the handsets that you'd usually have on a UCP on-premise system, or you could use them on cloud as well. This is just my dem kit that I've got set up here. So here I actually have a UCP and a switch, and what we do is when we're out on demos with our resellers for their customers, we take this along and then we can generate incoming calls and stuff like that to show them all the tricks of the system. It's going to be hard to demo that today, so I'll just run through the different handset options that we've got. So I'll start at the top of the list. So this is the LIP-9000. This is our executive handset, if you like. There's lots of things that it can do. So firstly, you can see it's got a video camera, so you can make video calls to other LIP-9000 users or UCS or UCE users. It's got a port in the back, an HDMI port, so that if you wanted to, you could then connect it to a screen, so you could see someone on a video call from a bigger screen than the one that's on the phone here. You can also put a Wi-Fi dongle in the back, so you can connect the phone to Wi-Fi as well, if you don't have a LAN port to connect to, which is good for home users, I guess. The thing that people really like about this though is that this touchscreen phone is built in Android, which means that you can go onto the Play Store, I'll just show you, and then you can download different applications like YouTube and things like that to watch videos. LIP-9040, so this one here, it's a colour screen phone, and the nice thing about this is it's a self-labelling phone, so that means that the keys in here, they can all be programmed so you can see which users are in the business, and you could set that up for a speed dial if you wanted to, or for your voicemail box, or even for a conference bridge. There's lots of different things that you could use that for. Our most popular handset is the LIP-9030, so it's just one down from the LIP-9040. The only difference is that the LIP-9040's got a slightly bigger screen, which is colour, and this one's got less buttons. But this one still has 24 programmable keys, so you can see here that you can scroll through the different ones. And these keys, they can be used for a speed dial, so a number that you call often, so an outside number, or it can be an internal number if you wanted to put a call through to someone. You could also have it maybe set for a voicemail box, and lots of other things as well. But a lot of the keys are already come on the phone anyway, so keys to transfer a call, to do a speed dial, to check your voicemail messages, to put yourself in Do Not Disturb, to search the directory. You've also got a button to put yourself in mute, to put a call on hold, and this last one's just to connect a headset. But the really good thing about the 9030 and the 9040 is they're really good for hot desking. So this one actually is set up as a hot desk user, so I'm not sure if you can see, but at the moment it says here that it's programmed to Ed. So what would happen is if somebody else wanted to come into the office who maybe works at home and they have the same phone at home, when they come in they could then log into this phone and it would take their profile across, so that they could still accept the same calls using the same phone number. They'd still be able to present the same phone number when they make calls, and also the buttons here would be the same as their phone at home. So I don't know if you can see this, but if I logged in, the way to do it is I'll go speaker,
enter station's number and password,
and then I'll put in the password 118, extension number and password, sorry, and then it should change. So before, when it said Ed, it now says Jane. So the next one down from the LIP-9030 is the LIP-9020. So straight away you can see that the main difference here is that the buttons, it hasn't got as many of the programmable keys as the LIP-9030 and 9040. So with this one it uses a paper insert. So that means that if you're hot desking across to a phone, the buttons might be different to what you're usually used to using. The next one down from that is the LIP-9010. So as you can see, it just has less buttons, and this one isn't gigabit, whereas the other ones are. So this one has 5 programmable keys. And then the last phone in the LIP-9000 range is the LIP-9002. So this one's fairly basic, you can see, and it's one that's usually used in a storeroom or a kitchen, maybe somewhere that's, you know, not making many calls. But But that's the range of handsets. We've also got a digital range of handsets as well that look fairly similar, but they're different connectivity, and there's a few features that you can't do with them. Mainly hot desking is the feature. But that was it. But if you have any other questions about the handsets, just get in touch with Pragma and we can help. Is that good?